So welcome to my video. Today I'm just gonna replace these shell Joy-Cons to the blue transparent with the D-pad on it too, because I always wanted a D-pad, and that's what we're gonna do. It's most likely just gonna be a time lapse speed through, no tutorial or anything like that. I just wanted you guys just wanted to upload this on YouTube. Sorry that it kind of cut the recording. So, but I'm on here. I'm trying to put the trigger back on here. Very tedious. Alright, so we transferred this. Have the rail with the new colors, supposedly. Now we just need to transfer this and the tape thing. So I just completed finishing this one. As you can see, it works. I tested it out earlier. All the controls work. It works good. I even changed. You can see I changed the light. It's no longer green. It's blue. Nice controller. I think it looks really great, especially the D-pad. Can't wait to play with that. Yeah, we're gonna start off with the other controller. These are all my parts that I'm gonna change. I might change the buttons. As you can see, these buttons are black, and these buttons are black but with the white lettering. And this is the board that changes the lights blue instead of green. Alright, so I finished. As you can see, I did it. They both work. I checked inputs and everything. I'm really glad about the D-pad. I can't wait to use that, see how it feels. I'm really glad I changed the lights to blue instead of the green stock, cause you could see it through it. As you can see through the plastic, and I think it makes it a lot cooler. And it just looks really cool. I really wanted this blue. I kept the buttons black. I didn't want a full transparency. But I thought it'd been too much, but yeah, works great. Thank you for seeing my video. And if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below, and please subscribe. Thank you. Peace.